If you're tired of back-breaking manual snow shoveling that takes hours, heavy gas-powered snowblowers that are difficult to maneuver and maintain, or driveways that become impassable after winter storms, you need to see this. Today, we're counting down the 5 best electric snow shovels that deliver efficient snow clearing without the weight, noise, and hassle of traditional snowblowers. From budget-friendly corded options perfect for small areas to powerful cordless models with extended runtime, these electric shovels prove you don't need a massive gas blower for most residential snow removal. I've dropped updated links with the best pricing in the description. At number 5 is the Electric Snow Shovel Cordless Kit at $80 to $120. That's entry-level cordless electric snow shovel pricing. The cordless kit features basic snow clearing capability suitable for light snowfall up to 4 inches deep. The clearing width is typically around 10 to 11 inches, allowing reasonable coverage for walkways and steps. The battery-powered design eliminates extension cords, providing freedom of movement. Battery runtime typically ranges from 20 to 30 minutes per charge, handling small areas. The lightweight construction makes this easy to maneuver and carry. The adjustable handle accommodates different user heights comfortably. The throwing distance is adequate for clearing walkways and steps. The included battery and charger provide complete kit ready to use. Build quality is basic with plastic construction keeping costs down. The auger design handles light, fluffy snow better than heavy, wet snow. The battery charges in 3 to 4 hours. What makes this cordless kit number 5 is delivering basic cordless snow clearing at budget pricing. For apartment dwellers with small walkways, seniors wanting lightweight option, or anyone needing occasional snow clearing tool, this delivers functional performance. At number 4 is the Westinghouse WS-NOW11SD 11-inch corded snow shovel at $100 to $150. That's budget corded electric snow shovel pricing. The Westinghouse WS-NOW11SD features 11-inch clearing width, handling walkways and small driveways efficiently. The 13-amp corded motor provides consistent power without battery limitations. The clearing depth handles snowfall up to 6 inches deep. The throwing distance reaches up to 20 feet, directing snow away from cleared areas. The ergonomic handle design reduces strain during extended use. The lightweight 13-pound design makes this easy to maneuver without fatigue. The adjustable directional chute aims snow where needed. The wheels assist with pushing through heavier snow, reducing effort required. Build quality is decent with durable plastic construction. The cord management requires extension cord planning. The auger blade efficiently moves snow. The compact design stores easily in garage or shed. What makes the Westinghouse number 4 is delivering reliable corded performance at competitive pricing. For homeowners with small driveways near outlets, people wanting unlimited runtime, or anyone prioritizing consistent power over cordless convenience, this delivers solid value. At number 3 is the Works Nitro 40-volt 12-inch cordless snow shovel at $200 to $300. That's mid-range cordless snow shovel pricing with quality battery platform. The Works Nitro features 12-inch clearing width, providing better coverage than budget options. The 40-volt battery platform delivers solid power, handling snowfall up to 6 inches deep. The brushless motor provides efficient power consumption, extending runtime. Battery runtime reaches 30 to 40 minutes per charge, depending on snow conditions. The ergonomic design with adjustable handle reduces fatigue during extended clearing sessions. The weight is balanced, making this comfortable to use. The throwing distance reaches 20 feet. The auger design handles both light, fluffy, and moderately wet snow effectively. Build quality is solid with Works' quality standards evident in construction. The battery is compatible with other Works 40-volt tools, providing versatility. The LED headlight enables early morning or evening clearing. The compact design stores easily. What makes the Works Nitro number 3 is delivering quality cordless performance with battery platform compatibility. For Works tool owners, homeowners wanting quality cordless option, or anyone prioritizing battery tool ecosystem, this delivers excellent performance. At number 2 is the Santhayao 13.5-inch electric snow shovel cordless at $250 to $350. The Santhayao features 13.5-inch clearing width, providing maximum coverage for electric shovels. The powerful motor handles snowfall up to 8 inches deep. The battery system provides extended runtime of 40 to 50 minutes per charge. The clearing rate moves up to 300 pounds of snow per minute. The ergonomic design with padded handle provides comfortable grip. The adjustable chute rotates 180 degrees, directing snow precisely. The LED headlight illuminates work area. The weight distribution makes this easier to handle. Build quality is premium with quality materials. The wheels assist with heavy snow conditions. The auger blade design handles wet, heavy snow better than budget options. For homeowners with medium driveways, people needing powerful cordless option, or anyone wanting maximum cordless capability, this delivers flagship performance. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Greenworks Pro 80-volt cordless snow shovel with battery, earning this position by delivering the best overall balance of power, runtime, clearing width, and reliability. Pricing runs from about $250 to $350. The Greenworks Pro 80-volt features genuine professional-grade power from the 80-volt battery platform. The 12-inch clearing width provides efficient coverage for walkways and small to medium driveways. The powerful brushless motor handles snowfall up to 10 inches deep. The clearing rate moves up to 300 pounds of snow per minute, matching gas-powered performance. The battery runtime is exceptional at 45 to 60 minutes per charge, easily handling most residential properties on single charge. The 80-volt battery platform delivers power rivaling corded and gas options. The throwing distance reaches 20 feet. The ergonomic design features adjustable handle accommodating different user heights. The weight is well balanced at around 15 pounds. The padded grip reduces hand fatigue. The directional chute rotates for precise snow placement. Build quality is professional grade with quality materials and excellent fit and finish. The brushless motor provides efficient power consumption. The auger blade design handles all snow conditions from light fluffy to heavy wet snow. The wheels assist with pushing through deeper snow. The LED headlight provides visibility during early morning or evening clearing. The battery indicator shows remaining charge. The compact design stores easily in garage or shed. The 80-volt battery platform is compatible with extensive Greenworks Pro tool line, including lawnmowers, leaf blowers, and string trimmers. The battery charges in 30 to 60 minutes. The quick charger is included. The battery performs well in cold weather. What makes the Greenworks Pro 80-volt number 1 is delivering genuine professional-level power in cordless package with exceptional runtime and reliability. The 80-volt platform provides power genuinely rivaling gas options without emissions or maintenance. The runtime handles most residential properties completely on single charge. The brushless motor technology provides efficient power consumption, extending runtime significantly. The clearing width hits the sweet spot for residential use. The snow handling capability manages all conditions from light powder to heavy wet snow. The battery platform compatibility provides versatility across multiple outdoor power tools. For homeowners with small to medium driveways, people wanting to eliminate gas equipment, anyone in the Greenworks ecosystem, or users demanding the absolute best cordless snow shovel available, the Greenworks Pro 80 volts delivers exactly that. The combination of professional-grade 80-volt power, exceptional runtime, quality construction, and versatile battery platform makes it the best electric snow shovel you can buy right now.